Dog Squad is back for another season of great dogs and awesome handlers.
A lot of interest here.
Hey, you police dog handler! Stop there, let this dog go!
Your favourite dog teams on screen.
You know, when he was a young lad, he used to jump up and down.
From Police Delta
Stay there, don't move!
to corrections teams.
Good boy!
He likes to do the Irish jig if you get him in the right spot.
Customs,
Oh, good lad, good lad.
Total weight of 3.65.
Ministry for Primary Industries,
Good.
and those intrepid Department of Conservation teams.
Great find, Neo. Good boy.
In all their fields, these dedicated dog teams work tirelessly day and night.
Another drunk driver off the road tonight. You're a big boy up a small tree there, babe.
Whether it's tracking criminals
Good boy. We got him. Good boy.
or native birds,
Very, very exciting. Good boy.
stopping the drug trade
Good girl.
So that's the chicken dinner.
or sniffing out biosecurity risks.
2 mandarins here.
Good boy.
There's a dog for the job standing by.
You watch him. That's a girl.
Running, jumping, barking, sniffing and loving every moment.
Good job.
It's all in a day's work for the Dog Squad.
It's good getting paid to get pets. Hey, good boy.